So we have SHAYA here today, and she's a halflinger. Let me check some other things. So let's check the pole. Here we go, up, up, up. Got it. Okay, and there's a little licking and chewing, so that's always good. Now a little bit more rotation. Here, I'm gonna laterally flex, coming around. Got it. Okay. You feel this spot here? Stretching. There, it just cracked. It's cracking and crunching. And loosen this up a little bit. Right here, we're in a stretch. So we're just gonna hold it. Give enough slack that I can get this. Got it. All right, we're done.